The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Hey, this is IT.
No, I mean for sure.
Oh yeah. But you for sure.
Well, alright, anything.
Anything then.
It's just like this is IT.
Yeah. And that's a fancy guy. But you for sure.
Oh, me never remember. Well, I don't know what we are in.
Yeah, right.
And you know, someday you get some unnecessary visitor during the COVID-19. And people ain't want to see, you know. Almost so.
No, but the thing about it, Fancy is that right now people are at home.
Yes.
And people know that you're at home.
Yes.
There are people working from home, them getting schooling from home,
Yes.
them at home.
Everybody know you're there home.
So you can't tell people say you're at home. So when you're at home, you get some visitation that you don't expect.
True.
You have some relatives who you don't want to see.
True.
You have some friends who you don't want to see.
True.
Then just turn up at your house. I have some people who eat no food. So, alright, let me not get no food part. If you want to know what happened when a visitor turn up, when they expect, watch this. Watch. Same thing.
Good afternoon. Greetings in the mighty name of Jesus. Is anybody home?
True.
You know answer. Let's go there.
Wait, Keith.
But
Wait.
sister, we are gonna get to go
For
to.
nothing, man. We have to be steadfast, faithful and patient, brother Ephraim. There are people in there that need our help, man. Hello?
But sister, you see, I don't think.
Shush, man. Come, today is Sunday. The people them, they don't leave out so early on a Sunday because the devil when they go to worship they dance. I'll
Yes.
have to wait until decent people
Yes.
sleeping. But nothing brother Ephraim. You think too much, man.
Again.
We are radical spiritual beings.
Yes, Lillian,
We have to do more than thinking. We have to feel. And I can feel that there is a hungry, evil spirit in here waiting for us to save him.
But I am tired, Lillian, and I'm telling you, I
Hey.
want.
You hear that?
What?
I can hear him breathing. We have to save and counsel that soul. All right, go around the back. You go that way, and I will go this way. Go on, Ephraim, hurry up. Ephraim! I can't see Ephraim. Ephraim! Hiding in there, hide from we know Ephraim, but we're going to mark it. You can hide, but we're going to find him today, Ephraim. We're going to find him today. I know him must be somewhere in here, trying to hide from the Lord.
Yeah.
Why them trying to hide from the Lord? They're not to try and hide.
Hey, Lillian! Where were you, Lillian? I went around your house twice, Lillian. I have the gates them to go to. I don't see anywhere around here, Lillian. Come go now, Lillian. Come go now. Come go.
Ephraim, voila. He's here. My spirit of discernment never failed me yet, Ephraim. Come wait.
Lillian. Since we have it, make we sing a hymn now, no? Christ is the answer.
Ephraim. I know so this song.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel fancy can.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize when I watch the video, but not see no much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy can.